So, magla-last 2 songs na ako, guys. Okay? Anong gusto nyong song, guys? Baka meron kayo. Nakanganga ako. Okay lang yan. Thank you, Betsky. Thank you, El. Thank you, Ate Sky. Thank you, Jack. Grabe po kayo. Mabuhay kayo hanggat gusto nyo. Let Me Be The One. Sino nag-request ng Let Me Be The One? Si Coco Step. Okay, Nenam. Hintayin mo po ng Let Me Be The One. Sa mga 10% na lang, guys. 10%. Fash Sep, what's up? Let's go. Di ako Ilocano. Alpha, what's up? Para po to sa mga malulungkot ngayon. Good morning. Good morning, Sep. Good afternoon kung saan makilapalop ng mundo, guys. Okay? Okay, bro, magpakita ka na sa akin. Bored na ako sa buhay ko. Hello, Sep! Alright, guys, let's go. Somebody told me you believe it, didn't know. Somebody told me you're unhappy, but it doesn't show. Somebody told me that you don't want me no more. So you're walking out the door. Nobody told me you've been crying every night. Nobody told me you've been dying, but didn't want to fight. Nobody told me that you fell out of love from me. So I'm setting you free. Congrats, bro. Let me be the one. Smile, get up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, but it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time, and goodbye. Tama. Thank you, Batsky. Ate Sky, thank you. Salamat po sa mga bumaboto sa akin. Naiiyak ako bigla. Sino ba kasi nag-request nito? Somebody told me you still love me. I don't know why. Nobody told me that you only needed time to fly. Somebody told me that you want to come back home. All love is real again. Starseed, what's up? Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone. Clark, what's up? We just have to say our love was true, but it's now become a lie. So I'm telling you, I love you one last time, and goodbye. Just turn around and walk away. You don't have to live like this. Oh no. But if you love me still, then stay. Don't keep me waiting for the final kiss. We can work together through this session. We can work through it apart. I just need to get this off my chest. You will always have my heart. Let me be the one. Let me be the one to break it up. You won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup Someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, but it's now become a lie. Top 3 daw ulit tayo. Thank you guys. That was Let Me Be The One. Guys, 6% na lang ako. Maglalasong na po ako. Kasi ano na, malalabat na ako. Sana mapatawad niyo ako. Magla-live naman ako bukas. Isa pa? Anong isa pa, Betsky? Oo, bro. Pagluto mo ako ulit nung Cajun ba yun? Cajun sauce na seafoods. Baka lang naman. Hello, Rihanna. Spicy Mayo, what's up? Isa pang ano, Betsky? Ayun. Kasi hindi ako marunong magluto ng ganun. Pag-aaralan ko pa lang. Chris, what's up? Okay. Ano ang gusto nyong last song natin for tonight? Kulit na ako, guys. Kulit na ako.